Welcome to my honest review of Online2PDF, a free online tool designed to help you convert, merge, split, and compress PDF files. Right from the start, the website looks a bit outdated but is straightforward to navigate. The homepage gives you the option to upload files immediately, with supported formats including PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. This variety of file compatibility is definitely a strong point. One of the biggest benefits of Online2PDF is its ability to handle batch processing, allowing you to upload and convert multiple files simultaneously. This is convenient for people dealing with high volumes of documents. The conversion process itself is usually quick, but it's not always perfect. I noticed that complex file formatting, especially from PDF to Word or Excel, doesn't always retain its original structure accurately. Security-wise, Online2PDF claims to delete files automatically after processing, which is reassuring but should be approached with caution if you're working with sensitive documents. It's free to use, but there's a file size limit of 100 megabytes for individual files and 150 megabytes for combined files. This restriction might be a deal breaker for users working with large files. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another notable feature is the merging tool, which works well for combining multiple PDFs into a single file. The compression tool is also effective, reducing file sizes without significantly compromising quality. However, the website sometimes struggles with heavy traffic, which can slow down the uploading and conversion process. The biggest downside is the occasional formatting errors when converting to Word or Excel, especially with complex documents. Additionally, there's no cloud storage integration, so you'll always need to download the processed files to your device. Overall, Online2PDF is a decent choice for basic document conversions and editing. It's fast, free, and user-friendly, but it has its limitations when it comes to complex formatting and larger files. For more professional or sensitive tasks, you might want to consider alternative tools. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews of online tools.